Welcome to the Wordcraft touchscreen order management demonstration. This system is designed to replace or back up your existing telephone ordering process with a modern software solution providing an automated ordering system. This system gives you the tools to deliver exceptional customer service. The touchscreen order management system uses the latest in touchscreen computing technology to allow quick and easy navigation, reducing the need for a keyboard and a mouse. This video will demonstrate how the touchscreen system will look and how easy it is to process an order. It will show how to enter an order through the system, examples of how customization can be implemented to meet your individual needs, the note-taking functionality, the unique caller ID and database features. We can also provide website integration and network solutions for multiple touchscreens and printers. These are the subjects of other videos. Let's start by showing a simple order being taken at a top-notch Indian takeaway. You select items by lightly tapping on the screen. Tapping the Curries button moves us to the Curries sub-menu where you can select which type of curry you wish to order. Then we can select the curry filling and the curry type. The next screen shows the selection of rice, naan and chips. Once selected, just press Add to add the order to the receipt shown on the left of the screen. That's one style of screen. Now if we look at the pop-it-on section and see another style. This shows how any part of the menu can be customized to suit your customer's need and match your paper menu. When selecting pickles, you can individually add or remove specific pickles using the plus and minus symbols. For instance, some customers might like to swap lime pickle for extra mint. This design can be adapted to any part of the menu. Now let's look at the checkout page. You can access the checkout page by tapping the receipt on the left-hand side of the page or tapping the checkout button in the bottom right corner. To delete an item from the order, scroll to the item you wish to delete. Tap once on the delete button. You'll then ask to confirm the deletion. Do so by tapping the button once more. We understand that with set meals, the customer may want to change one of the listed items. To change an item, scroll to the item and tap on the change button to see a list of alternatives. Once the item has been swapped, tap Add to return to the checkout page. The discounting option is a good way to reward your loyal customers, or can be used if you are running a promotion. As you can see at the top of the screen there is a discounts bar. When you tap this, it will change to show you different percentages that can be used depending on your discount level. Note also that the green buttons down the page become active. These allow individual items to be given free of charge. One of the key features of this system is that you can make handwritten notes, or more accurately finger-written notes, which appear on screen and on the printed receipt. These notes are added next to the item on the checkout list and will appear below the item on the printed receipt. If necessary, you can delete a note by striking through the text from right to left. Now let's look at entering delivery details. When it comes to entering delivery details, you need to take the customer's address. This can be a time-consuming task, and if you're currently using a paper notepad system, you are more than likely writing down the same name and address more than once a week. To speed up this process, we have included a postcode search option, which will allow you to enter a postcode and the house number. The street name will be completed automatically. To enter the details, you must use the on-screen touchpad, which works like a normal keyboard. Once the contact details have been completed for your customer, they are stored in the database system to be used for their next order without you having to enter the details again. Customers may wish to have their order delivered at a particular time. With this in mind, at the point of entering delivery details, there is an option to enter a time for collection or delivery. This can be done at the beginning of taking the order or on completion. Setting the default to collection or delivery is your choice. If you tend to deliver more orders, then it is probably best to set delivery as the default. This is something we will discuss with you before we install the system. When requires delivery is selected, the contact details must be completed if they are not already in the customer database. Contact details which have not been completed will be highlighted in red to show that they are required. You can set the collection delivery time by tapping on the time. The on-screen keypad changes to allow a time to be entered easily. The time will also appear on the printed receipt for the kitchen staff. To complete the order, tap Finish. Tapping Finish completes the order and prints the receipts to the printers. If you are serving a customer face-to-face, it may be unnecessary to fill in all their details, so after coming out of the checkout page, you can tap Finish immediately to print the receipt without completing the contact details. However, you may decide that it is worth including all customers on your database, as they may want a delivery next time. Now let's look at taking orders over the telephone and the use of caller ID. For this option, you will need caller ID activated on your phone line. On receiving an incoming call, a red bar on the top of the screen will appear showing the incoming number. To activate the caller's order, tap on the red bar, then start making the order as you normally would. At the end of the order, you will arrive at the customer details page. At this point, you will see that the telephone number has already been stored, so you will just need to complete the order details and select if the order is a collection or a delivery. If you receive a call from a customer that already has been saved in your database, then their name appears on the red bar alongside their number. Selecting the red bar will display a list of their recent orders. On the customer's recent orders page, tap an order to quickly order the same things again. You can always make changes to that order. Or tap Main Menu to start a new order from scratch. When you come to complete an order for a recognized caller, the customer's details are automatically entered, saving you the time required to re-enter them. All you need to do is choose if the meal is for delivery or collection. Finally, let's have a quick look at some of the other functions in the system. Pressing the Func button will take you to the Functions screen, where you will find the administrative features of the system. Tapping Clear Order clears the current active order and returns to the main menu so you can start again. Recent Orders allows you to view any of the last few orders, which can then be reactivated, added to the checkout, then amended if necessary. You can use this in conjunction with the Save Order option. This will save the current order so that a customer can return later to complete the order. When viewing the recent orders list, tapping on an order activates it. Tapping End of Day Report prints a summary of the end of day takings to the default printer. Switch Layout allows you to swap the side the receipt appears on screen, allowing flexibility and ease of use for left or right-handed users. Part of our service is to maintain your menu. We can make changes to the menu, and then you tap the Update Menu button to activate those changes on your touchscreen and on your website. Thank you for watching the demonstration of Wordcraft International's touchscreen order management system. We hope it has given you an idea of the features we provide to improve the efficiency of your order taking process. To find out more or to discuss your requirements, please visit our website wordcraft.com or call us on 01283 731 400.